Can cloves make hair grow faster? Clove promotes hair growth as it contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. Moreover, with the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. Here's how to make a hair rinse from cloves. Boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Lightly muddle 10 cloves and add them to the boiling water. Add 1 twig of curry leaves to the pan. Once water reaches boiling temperature, remove it from the heat. Cool it down before use. You can also store this rinse in the refrigerator for a week. Rinse your hair with this potent hair growth water as the last step of your hair wash routine. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.